Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be on a very important topic which is very trending by the way. That is the masterstroke that is played by TCS in the current times. Okay. The second point that we are going to discuss is the JP Morgan's warning regarding TCS and Infosys. Okay. The third point that we are going to discuss is, will TCS face any issues due to the US and Europe banks? Okay, the failure that is caused in all these banks. The next point that we are going to discuss is why TCS senior leadership is the GOAT, greatest of all time. Okay, and last but not the least, which BFSI project is best to work in at TCS. So let us begin. Now, guys, before moving forward, we have a small humble request from our side, that is AirTech, that please, if you're watching this video and if you really like our content, if you like the information that we are presenting in our videos, then please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Okay, here in this snippet, you can see that most of the people have not subscribed to our channel yet, but they regularly watch our videos and they like the videos as well. So if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do it to get regular updates and so, guys, before moving forward, we have a sincere request to all of our viewers who are currently watching this video that please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here, you can see that in the last 90 days, only 12.1% of the people who are watching the video have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so if you have not done it yet, please do it as soon as possible to get regular updates regarding our videos, information, and other posts. Okay, so let us move forward. Now here there was a recent article that was published, okay, in Business Line, that was as per JP Morgan's suggestion, okay, due to the Silicon Valley Bank fallout, okay, along with the Signature Bank fallout, and recently the First Republic Bank also gathered around $30 billion, okay, to save itself, okay, from falling out. So all of the major regional banks from the US paid this amount, collected this amount, and gave it to Republic Bank, First Republic Bank in the US. Okay, so here JP Morgan is clearly stating that TCS Infosys have highest exposure to the US regional banks. Okay, so here they are saying TCS Infosys and LTIMindtree might need to set aside provisions in the fourth quarter due to their exposure to Silicon Valley Bank, JP Morgan said in a note. Now, a lot of startups from India, like they have funds around $1 billion into the Silicon Valley Bank, and that is a huge amount. Okay, guys, all the Y Combinator's partners, they have their funds in the Silicon Valley Bank, and that is submerged. Okay, that is the reason why a lot of startups are worried in India as well as abroad. Now, here you can see that regional banks in the US account for 2 to 3% of their revenue. Okay, for TCS and Infosys, JP Morgan said in a note, adding that the exposure to the recently collapsed Silicon Valley Bank could be 10 to 20 basis point for TCS, Infosys, and smaller rival like LTIMindtree. Okay, so this is a big reason to worry for TCS and Infosys. Now, the next important thing is that you might be thinking that which banks are the clients for TCS. Okay, let me tell you, recently the bank that was about to be collapsed, but it was saved by the government of Switzerland. So here is Credit Suisse, which is one of the client for TCS. Then you have Citibank, which recently sold its India wing to Axis Bank. Okay, Citibank has exited India. They are currently operational in US, Europe, and a lot of other places, Australia as well. So then you have Royal Bank of Scotland from Scotland, basically. Okay, so then you have Barclays, which is again a very big bank which is a client of TCS. Okay, and all these banks are having good projects, so good amount of projects in TCS in the under the BFSI unit. Then you have banks like Arab Bank, which is from Saudi Arabia. Then you have Commonwealth Bank, which is again a very big bank. Bank of America, that is BOFA. This has a wide range of projects in TCS. Okay, under the BFSI unit. Then you have Gulf Bank, which is again from Saudi area. Then you have RCB, that is from Canada, Royal Bank Canada. Okay, and then you have HSBC. This bank recently purchased the Silicon Valley Bank from UK with with a deal of €1, it is £1, I guess, pound sterling, right? So they purchased this bank, Silicon Valley Bank UK subsidiary. Then you have JP Morgan Chase and Company Bank. So this bank is a subsidiary of JP Morgan Group. Again, you have Deutsche Bank. TCS recently purchased, I think in 2019 or 20, they purchased the IT wing of the entire Deutsche Bank. So you can think that TCS is having a great business with Deutsche Bank. Okay. Then you have American Express, you have Northern Trust. So all these banks are having their projects in TCS. Okay. You have Goldman Sachs. Okay. You have State Street Bank again from the US. All these banks are having projects in TCS. Okay, so if you're looking for any kind of project, what I feel according to me is Deutsche Bank is one of the best bank. Okay, in TCS, JP Morgan is also best. Then if you want to go with some bank from apart from US and Europe region, then you have Arab Bank and Gulf Bank. These projects have good opportunities for on-site as well. Okay, so you can also go for RCB Bank. Okay, BOFA is again one opportunity provider for on-site opportunities with TCS. Okay, you can also look for any other bank. Okay, now one more important thing, that is the master stroke that TCS played. Okay, the master stroke is that recently the current CEO and MD of TCS announced that he's going to leave TCS. Okay, so that is the reason there were many other people after Gopinathan that were there in the line of being the CEO. Okay, from various departments, but TCS, what TCS senior leadership did is they appointed Krithi as the CEO. Okay, Krithivasan is as the CEO. Krithivasan has an experience of more than 35 years, I believe, around 34 years in TCS. Okay, and currently he's leading and the global BFSI head unit. Okay, that is the reason why he has a exposure to all the kind of banks, and he is the master of banks. Okay, so how to grow the bank business, how you can handle the bank business in this current depreciating times, right? So that is the reason why TCS thought of this. And here you can see that the revenue by vertical, okay, BFSI contributes to 38.9% of the entire revenue that TCS gets. So this is the highest revenue, okay, that TCS is generating. So BFSI is a major contributor. Banking, financial services, and insurance. This is the highest contributor in the revenue split up. Okay. Along with that, if you look at the revenue breakdown of TCS by geography, you will find that from USA it is generating around 52% of the revenue from USA alone. Okay, so by this you can analyze that USA and Europe are the biggest contributors for the revenue for TCS, and that is the reason what we feel that TCS has played a masterstroke by appointing Krithivasan, who has immense amount of experience in the BFSI domain. Okay, currently he's heading the BFSI domain from Chennai, and right now he will be moving to Mumbai for working along with RG. Okay, so here this is the masterstroke, and let me tell you guys that one more important thing, TCS has been getting a lot of projects. We will soon make a video on Infosys as well, the entire analysis of the current scenario about Infosys. And if you want us to make a video on Wipro as well, we will definitely do it. Okay. So if you have any more doubts, please ask in the comment section. We are open to all kind of questions. If you want us to make a video on any particular topic, we will definitely do that. Okay, so you just have to go into the comment section and you have to write down your comments, your questions, or your queries, and we'll try to answer them. Or if possible, we can also create a video on that. So guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to do that. Okay, with this, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day ahead.